The Brazilian wax, once a gold standard of grooming, a symbol of smoothness and self-care. But in 2025, is it still relevant, or is it becoming a relic of the past? Stick around as I dive into the waxing world, and the Brazilian still holds its place in modern beauty trends. The Brazilian wax first took the beauty world by storm in the late 90s and early 2000s. Inspired by Brazilian beach culture, it quickly became a mainstream grooming choice. Celebrities, fashion trends and media all played a role in its rise. For many, it wasn't just about hair removal. It was about confidence, empowerment and a sense of cleanliness. Brazilian waxing had become synonymous with self-care. But as times change, so do beauty standards. With the evolution of technology, alternatives have challenged the dominance of Brazilian waxing. Laser hair removal offers a permanent solution. Though costly, its long-term benefits attract many. Then there's the rise of at-home solutions like IPL devices, allowing people to achieve similar results without the hassle of, and let's not forget, sugaring, an ancient technique that's making a strong comeback as a gentler, natural alternative to traditional waxing. Today's beauty standards are shifting. The body positivity movement encourages self-acceptance, and many are embracing natural hair growth. More people are questioning the need for extensive grooming routines imposed by societal expectations. Some are ditching high-maintenance beauty standards altogether, choosing a no-maintenance lifestyle. This shift raises the question, is the Brazilian still necessary, or is it just another trend fading into history? Will the Brazilian wax disappear completely? Not necessary. May not be the default choice. Niche markets could keep it alive. Some may still prefer it for hygiene, aesthetics, or personal comfort. Additionally, waxing might evolve into a luxury or occasional self-care treatment rather expected routine. Salons may adapt by offering specialized services tailored to changing consumer preferences. So is the Brazilian waxing era over? Not entirely, but its dominance is certainly being challenged. Trends evolve. It's clear that choice and individuality are becoming more important than ever. What do you think? Do you still prefer the Brazilian, or are you embracing alternative methods? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty and wellness insights.